Hi everyone, Tim from Grandad's Workshop. Right, we're continuing on with our 3D venture. Step 4, where we're at now. Section K. So we've got so that shows you where the screws. 2, 3, 4. There's a little hinge. And there's a little screwdriver they've supplied us to put it all on with. A couple of other bits away. So looking at that, they've got, screw that into place first of all. Because obviously if we push the door out it's not held in place. So keep it on something nice and flat while you're doing this. Right, so that's your hinge in place. And then we've got to push out this bit of wood, which should then allow it to hinge. So, yeah, take that section out. That's your little door. Not the strongest hinge I've ever seen, but could have probably just done being squeezed together a little bit. But anyhow, that's it. Step 5. That can go up out of the way. Step 5, we want B12. So section B. B12 is your window frame. It's quite fragile, so once we've got our picture in place, I'll just start with the picture first. I think it's going to be a lot easier than trying to work around, have the frame in place and then try and fit the picture. Just go for the picture, which is A1, pop that into place. Then we want to put our picture frame on, just offer it up, some glue on there. Dare say my big head's going to be in the way here, but all your surplus off. So that's your picture frame, which is B12, and there's the inserts that we took out. Now I'm looking at it and I think there's one partially open and one shut, and the reason for that is we're going to put the shelf in now, which is B14. B14. And B14 will sit snug up to the bottom of the window frame, like so. Just bob that in. Pop our little cactus on there, like so. Right, that's that one. Let's put that in there. A bit of gunge on there. Bit of gunge on there. Stick that one in there, like so. Not as easy to set in place because obviously it's open. What I might do is just put one of my little toothpicks into there so that it stays open while it's drying. And then we've also got another picture, would you believe? Some value in this gaff, isn't there? So we've got A6 just going down there. So yeah, just take your time, offer stuff up. I suppose the main one really is make sure you don't put your pictures upside down, so that that one would be a lovely landscape with trees dangling out from the sky. So make sure your trees are going upwards, I'd say, on that one. And so again, it's marked off nice and clear where it's to go. They've certainly done all the hard work for you, there's no doubts about that. So that can be left to dry for a minute. Okay, so for step 6 we bring our lovely wall J with all our beautiful artwork, bring that back into play. That goes to the left side. If we're happy that board K is dry, we can bring that in. Now it then says you're looking for the flooring now, which is G, but there's a little warning that says pay attention to the front and back of the G board, and the only way I think you can tell there is the G that's actually printed onto the board goes right into the corner, so you'll have like a coming together of J, K and G right in that corner. That's got the actual letter of the board on it, and it's also got some marking out where we're obviously going to be sitting a dresser or some seating or something, so I think if we follow that we should be alright. So happy with a little bit of glue on there, so I'll let you know if I've done the right or wrong thing, but probably knowing mine that we'll get further on and you have to take it all apart again. But so that's wall J sat on floor G, and I'm going to do the same with K. Wall K put in here now. Now these are lovely instructions thus far, so pop a bit on there as well. So the only thing here, it doesn't tell you to glue it, and it has done previously, so I might well get a little nasty surprise in a bit where it says no, you've tried them all, take them all apart again, in which case I'll be quite sad. I'm hoping it's not told you to glue it, because it seems to be quite sturdy anyway. So what we've got all the letters of the boards all meeting up in that back corner. That's our little secret door. All your painting, shelves. That's what we haven't done. We haven't put our little stand-up photo or painting, whatever it is, there, have we? So just pop that on now. This goes on that second shelf down. Easy to see it like that. Check again. We've got everything. We've got step 4, we've done our door, done our window, cactus, put the 2 sides and the floor together there. So that's step 6. Right, looks like we're going to make some steps.
Wow.
So step 7 is make some steps. Runners and risers. I would suggest starting at the bottom with B3 into those slots. B5 into the second lot up. B6 and then B7 right in the top. So again, it's not showing you any glue because I don't think it essentially needs. So that's your 4 runners, the bottom three probably don't need glue, but the top one, B7, it doesn't say glue it, but that would definitely need gluing. So as I say, I'm just going to pop a bit of glue on every step, because see, now it is telling you on section step 8 where we're putting the risers in, it's telling you to glue all of them, but that would make sense because they're not going into any slots, they're just going up against the runners. So the first three are all the same size and the top one is the smallest one. So that's where we're at now. We've got to glue all those into place. See, I think they're booked up to the edge like that, which as I say, I put these on something flat while you just get it in place. And that's our assembled steps. Please like and subscribe and join me for the next one soon. Till then, take care.